You know, so me not get no apology yet. Big and serious, my fans them not get no apology yet.
One man can blood clot govern this whole world here, so we want to try to govern the whole Jamaica in music and badness and this and that. Because suck your mother, batty boy.
Mother.
You see, your mother. So better just make me make back some money and just worry me, batty boy. Remember, we tell you off a style killer too. And y'all go like stiff up yourself every minute.
We not mix or mingle. Remember we full of chips like Pringle.
Whatever deal with Flexing Complex representing for the big bad and mad Lionfoot TV. You know the thing go. Mad and mean. Keep it tuned, keep it locked. Baddest flagger. You see it? Hey, swear and I will never leave Sue and go to Trevor. We not change on at all. That's some general teacher Pagoli Side College. Lionfoot. Man.
Welcome to Lionfoot TV at the right place, so let's don't go nowhere.
Please like, subscribe, and don't forget to hit the bell.
Bless the love of the greetings, my viewers and subscribers, kings and queens. Line and line, let's big up on yourself. Welcome to Lionfoot TV, you know the man of peace. We settle the violence off the streets, live in love, unity and strength. You see me I say, yeah man, so we keep it really on the back of field, you know what I mean? If you're new to the platform, welcome, make yourself comfortable at home, become a fan. Subscribe if you want to, that's your choice, see? And click the bell button. Anybody who may be going to please just click the like button, see? Click the like button. More though, hit the like button, the YouTube system. People like it, you know, and put it out there in the feed so other people can see it, see? Yes man, and 2025, look out for the podcast. We have a podcast of our The Reasoning. Yes man, it's going to be very interesting, you see me? Alright, in this episode, we have Deva Bratt again at his workplace, and I said, yo, you don't get that. I'll never get no apology, so I'm going to go into the studio again, but do another this song for Vybz Kartel. We also, I see our next video circulate around where Deva Bratt was dissing Vybz Kartel, telling about him mad and all of them things, and talking about, you know, one time war go on and man come fire shot off of them and blah blah blah. But it seems like it's an old video still. You see me? Or no, I don't know. Yeah, but it seemed like an old video to me. And also, breaking news. Masicka says he will not be performing at Freedom Street. No, that's a shocker. Enough of the Crocodile fans are broken because they might say he was going to be performing there, you know. So, yeah, I'm going to hear what I want to see what I want. See it in the article. You know what I say? But before that, my viewers and subscribers, you don't know where I'm going to place. You know what I mean? Check out the new single, What Is Wrong with Humanity. See, for the 2025, we want to run up some views on this and see if we can get it more hearing the message in the song. I'm very positive, you see me? Yeah, man.
Son, clean for the big son, brother.
Okay, that track is titled What Is Wrong with Humanity, and a visuals for it as well is out there, you know what I mean? I'm going to leave the link in the comment section so you can just click it and watch it and leave a comment feedback, see? And I don't know, positive songs that we need more of them music in the business. Enough of them songs are singing, you know, but they're just not getting the airplay and the airwaves. You see me I say? Yeah man, so breaking news, we can kick it off with Masicka news now.
We not mix or mingle. Remember we full of chips like Pringle.
Masicka says he will not perform at Freedom Street. So you see, that is in the article, you know what I mean? The Observer. Yeah man, so Masicka confirmed to his fans that he will not be performing at Freedom Street. So as you remember, Joe them say Masicka and all of them things there, you see me? And you know, the piece of the article said dancehall artist Masicka will not be performing at Vybz Kartel's Freedom Street concert at the National Stadium on Tuesday, the 31st, New Year's Eve. Zine, and I don't know if you want to hear more, just go over the Observer and click the link and read the full article why. You see me I say about to the Crocodile fans who were planning to go or who buy them ticket. I don't know if it was a scam or a trick. If you see them Masicka them did that day, but you see me here, could I hear Joe say Masicka added to the lineup and teach, I know, but yeah, it is what it is, you know what I mean? If you did buy a ticket for go see Masicka, I don't know, it's gonna work out, you know. Yeah, but I don't know if Masicka was gonna go and change his mind or, you know, business wise, money business, why him change his mind. I don't know. Maybe manager Corey Tal good I say, yo, don't do the show, don't go. You see me I say? I know Corey and Cartel them good. You see me? And I don't know if that's the reason why, I don't know. But Masicka won't be at the show. Viewers and subscribers, let me know what you think of that. You know, if it was said Masicka was gonna be there and then it's not gonna, that's a big disappointment still. Especially to all the fans overseas who can make the show and maybe did a plan for go stream it. You see me? But I don't know, Masicka is not there. The show must and shall and will go on. You know what I mean? All the other big artists are going to there. You see me? I say? Yes, man. So Masicka won't be at the Freedom Street show. And it confirmed it's in the Observer. Breaking news. Shocking news. See? Alright.
We no mix or mingle. Remember we full of chips like Pringle.
Next now we see Deva Bratt after this Vybz Kartel and the song named Homage. Deva Bratt damn workplace. I'm going to big up Deva Bratt in the cause I'm going to do 9 to 5 like myself. You know, perfume, music, same way. Zine. Yes sir, Deva Bratt seem to get no apology from now, so I'm going to go back in the studio. Yeah, what? We don't chat. Yeah, what? Go on.
You know, so I'm not get no apology yet. Big and serious, my fans them not get no apology yet. You see? So you know what that means. Alright? After I jump off of that something here, I go jump in at the studio again. A trouble!
Yo, Deva Bratt. Nah, ease up, you know. The man said, yo, he's not getting no apology yet. His fans don't get no apology from Vybz Kartel. So he go back to the studio. I see Deva Bratt there on him work. Big up the hard-working people, man, do them 9 to 5 for them honest bread, you know? And every artist that pursue the music, do 9 to 5, because bills have to pay. Don't just solely depend on the music, unless you have other ways of to source your funds, you know. But if you know say he's an honest man, work your honest bread, and if you can fund some of your music to do it, you see me? So big up there, Brat. Yeah, man. Everyone, the musical wire still, you know. But we just don't feel like Vybz Kartel got answer, is it? Yeah, man. So you see the video you circulate around now where Deva Bratt and disrespect Vybz Kartel again and it ends, and as I said, I feel like an old video this still, but we see it circulate around. And I saw the social media work though. All time something come back again. Yeah. So here I go.
Nobody. One man can blood clot govern this whole world here. So we want to try to govern the whole Jamaica in the music and badness and this and that. Because suck your mother, batty boy.
Mother.
You see? Your mother. You hear that? You know, from me here, bar, if me never afraid to par with you. Blood clot, when lynch map them shoot up the blood clot Gaza and me run off of the back, me have to run for half my banking. Bumbo wall, would have stopped par because the man them say everything in the empire them want to kill out. Pussy, remember that. You ever see me stop party them time, they have run off him out of chat. Come blood clot tarnish people him after man stand up with you through real bumbo clot war. With gunshot of fire man can lose them life. And you try run out past some little thing and call up my name in the media and this and do song and this and that. Yo, you better just make back some money and just war me up. Batty boy. You hear that? 10.6. Remember we tell you how to style killer too. And y'all are going to stiff up yourself every minute. If you just free up yourself, pussy, you can't happy like me. No matter how poor me is or rich me is, you can't happy like me. You live in a misery.
Why, me I tell you, trouble you there, and I look good, you know, your sister a long time, Deva Bratt, I disrespect Vybz Kartel from them kick off. The mother, the ex-mother things, you know, we not to, you know, support them things that are serious things still. Someone take it serious, you see me? Someone take it as joke too. Friend run it off as joke more time, but yeah. You see it. So yeah, Deva Bratt say, yo, answer, I can make some, I make me rich, you know, because you have to make me rich, and you blighted my richness. Zine, so just answer me, I could do some music and things. You see me? But I don't feel like I just don't feel like Vybz Kartel I got answer Deva Bratt. You see it? That's what I say. Viewers and subscribers, speak up on yourself. Let me know what y'all think in the comment section below. And you know, to the crocodile fans, Masicka won't be at the Freedom Street. See? One day to go for Freedom Street. I will look forward to see it. And that, you know, I'm out. Bookasha.
Son, clean for the big son, brother.